Hey class, Mr. Strable here, going over the last assignment for the year. Kind of crazy. All right, so we are again doing changes in mean, median, mode, and range. All right, so you're going to have three sections. The first two sections will tell you whether you're right or wrong, and the final section will be graded. All right, so you want to read carefully here so you understand what you're doing. So it says Miss Thompson teaches 5 classes. The number of students in each class are 28, 26, 24, 30, 22. Find the mean, median, and mode of this list of numbers before you solve any of the problems below. Watch the video. I'll be going over this set, which I'm doing right now. All right, so hint, to solve each problem, find the original mean, median, and mode, find a new mean, median, mode, then determine the change. When entering your answers, you must enter it in one of the following ways. If the mean or median increases, type increases by, and then whatever. The mean or median decreases, right? Decreases by whatever. If the mean, median, or mode does not change, type no change. And if there's a new mode, type in new mode is, and then what the new mode is. So first, let's figure out the mean for the original set of data. All right, so the mean, so we add everything up, so 28 plus 26 plus 24 plus 30 plus 22. That's going to equal 130. Now there are 5 classes. So we're going to divide that by 5, and we get 26 is the original mean. All right, question 1, it says Hornsby decides to get rid of the class of 26 students. How does the mean change if we take away this class? So hint, now she only teaches 4 classes and the number of students in each are 28, 24, 30, and 22. So I'm going to copy this as data because I'm lazy. So we're getting rid of the class of 26. I'm going to delete that out. And then we only have 4 classes. We're going to subtract by 4. So you can look, did the mean change? No, it's still 26. So we're at a no change. All right, now we'll go into the next one. The next one says, a student moves out of one of Miss Thompson's classes. Now the class of 26 students has changed to 25 students. How does the median change? No, this is a new question. You are not using the list of numbers from number 1 with the 26 taken away. You are still using the numbers at the top, 28, 26, 24, 30, 22 as your original list. Your new list will have the 26 changed to 25. All right, so again, we're going to always refer back to the original list of numbers. So let's figure out the original mean. So I'm going to our original median. So I'm going to put the numbers in order here in Desmos just so I can look at it. So 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. So our 26 is the middle number because there's 2 on the right side, 2 on the left side. So I'm going to write that down. All right. Now we're replacing that 26 with the 25. So again, let me pull back up the original set. So that was the original set of data. Okay. And then we replace that 26 with the 25, and it's still in the middle. So the median went from 26 to 25, so it got smaller. So it decreases by 1. And look, there we go. Now you want to be careful because if you capitalize things, it's going to say it's wrong. So make sure you keep things lowercase. All right, and the last problem, Hornsby decides to give Miss Thompson a 6th class to teach. The class is 22 students. How does the mode change? So if we look at the original set of data, I'm just going to use what I wrote here. None of the numbers repeat, right? 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. They're all unique numbers. Now, if we add a 22, that means the 22 is going to repeat. So we go from no mode to a mode of 22. So new mode is 22. And there we go. That's all you have to do. So if you have any questions, refer back to this video. You should get the first section right because hopefully you're watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.